Stop for a second and ask yourself this. How many times have you told yourself it's okay when you knew deep down it wasn't? Maybe you cut a corner, lied a little, ignored a responsibility, and instantly whispered, "It's fine, it's small." Every time you justify yourself, every time you excuse your own actions, you're silently stealing your future. It feels harmless, even comforting. But that small "it's okay" can grow into a habit that ruins your integrity, your confidence, and even the life you want to build. In this video, we're going to uncover why self-justification is one of the most dangerous habits you don't even notice, and how to stop it before it silently controls your life.
Human beings have a strange tendency. We want to feel good about ourselves even when we do things wrong. So when we make a mistake, break a promise, or take the easy way out, we immediately tell ourselves, "It's okay, it's small, it won't matter." The danger is this: justifying yourself feels comforting, but it prevents growth. You stop seeing reality clearly. You stop taking responsibility. A student cheats on a test and whispers, "It's just this once." Or a professional misses a deadline and says, "It's fine, no one will notice." That small excuse seems harmless, but every time you repeat it, you erode your self-trust. The problem with self-justification is it's invisible. It happens quietly in your mind, so you don't notice the damage. Every "it's okay" chips away at your confidence, your integrity, your decision-making ability. Think of your life as a glass of water. Every lie, every corner cut, every excuse is a tiny drop of poison. 1 or 2 drops might not hurt, but over time, the whole glass becomes contaminated. How many times have you told yourself it's okay, and later realized you regretted it? That small moment of comfort cost you a little piece of your self-respect. We justify because it feels easy. It's emotionally safe. We want immediate relief from guilt or discomfort. But here's the paradox. The comfort of saying it's okay is temporary. The consequences last much longer. Example: you skip a workout and say, "It's fine, I'll do it tomorrow." Tomorrow comes and you skip again. That pattern repeats, and soon your health, discipline, and confidence start slipping. Reflection. Comfort is addictive, but growth lives on the other side of discomfort. Often, we justify things that are actually under our control. We say, "It's okay, everyone does it." Or, "It doesn't matter, it's small." But that's a lie we tell ourselves. The power of choice is always in your hands. You always have the ability to act differently. Mini reflection. Next time you catch yourself saying, "It's okay," pause and ask, "Did I have control over this? Could I have done it differently?" Owning the answer is the first step to self-mastery. Every time you tell yourself it's okay, it doesn't just stay in that moment. It creates a ripple effect that spreads into your habits, decisions, and even relationships. Think about it. You justify skipping a task today, and tomorrow you justify skipping another. You excuse a small lie today, and soon honesty feels optional. That tiny comfort snowballs into a lifestyle of compromises. It's like cracks in a dam. One small crack seems harmless, But if ignored, the water eventually breaks through. Small justifications may feel harmless now, but over time, they erode your integrity, confidence, and results. Ask yourself, which small excuses today could become bigger cracks tomorrow?
Breaking the habit of self-justification isn't just about avoiding guilt. It's about reclaiming your power through accountability. When you face your actions honestly, even the uncomfortable ones, you train your mind to respond with clarity instead of excuses. Accountability turns small mistakes into lessons and lessons into growth. Example, Mr. Workout? Instead of whispering, "It's okay," tell a friend or journal it, "I missed it. Tomorrow I will show up." That tiny act of accountability creates momentum and strengthens your self-trust. Remember, accountability isn't punishment. It's the bridge between who you are and who you want to become. Every excuse you tell yourself chips away at the person you believe you are. The small "it's okay" becomes a statement about your identity. I'm someone who cuts corners. I'm someone who avoids discomfort. But what if you wanted to be someone disciplined, honest, and reliable? Every choice you justify is a vote for the opposite. Tip: align your actions with the identity you want. Ask yourself, does this choice reflect the person I want to be? If the answer is no, don't excuse it, correct it. Example, you procrastinate a task and say, "It's fine." Instead, reframe, "I am someone who delivers on my commitments. I will act now." That mindset change transforms small habits into a life of integrity. How do we stop this? How do we stop self-justifying and start being honest with ourselves? Here's the framework. 1. Notice the excuse. Every time you say, "It's okay," stop. 2. Ask yourself why. Are you avoiding discomfort, guilt, or criticism? 3. Face the reality. Acknowledge what you did and its impact. 4. Take small corrective action. Even if it's tiny, do something to repair or improve. Example, Mr. Deadline, instead of saying, "It's fine," apologize and plan a catch-up strategy. Skipped a workout? Get back immediately, even if it's just 10 minutes. Reflection. Progress comes from facing your choices, not excusing them. Each honest step strengthens your integrity and self-respect. So here's what you need to remember. 1. Stop justifying small mistakes. They shape your habits. 2. Every "it's okay" you say is a decision to compromise your future self. 3. Real growth happens when you face the uncomfortable truth. And 4. The moment you stop excusing yourself, you start building discipline, confidence, and integrity. Your life doesn't get better by excusing yourself. It gets better when you hold yourself accountable, face the truth, and refuse to say, "It's okay," when it's not. The next time you catch yourself justifying a wrong or an easy choice, pause, reflect, and remember, every small "no excuse" you make today creates a stronger, better you tomorrow.